Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips HD9303/02 1.2 litre electric kettle. There's an image of the kettle right on top. It comes with a stainless steel body, as you can see. It is a 1.2 litre electric kettle and it's safe and easy boiling, food grade stainless steel material, as I mentioned earlier. And any more information? That's more or less it actually. Okay, net quantity 1. Okay, wattage, voltage and frequency 1800 watt, 230 volt, 50 hertz, and that's it. This comes with a 1800 watt heating coil. That's all the information I can find on the box for now. Let's open it and see what's inside. And there you go. This is what you find inside the box. We have a couple of documents first. This is one user manual. Yeah, this is a user manual that lists all the different components of this particular model and other models as well. There's this 9303, 9306. This is 9303, of course. And there is a safety leaflet. This has all the safety instructions. And what is this? This is a certificate of purchase. This is basically a warranty card. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. This is the 1.2 litre electric kettle, the 9303/02 electric kettle from Philips. This is the base that it comes with. This comes with the 1800 watt heating coil, and this is a 360-degree base because you can wound the wire like this, the power cable like this at the base, as it is shown, as that I'm showing it to you right now. Also, you should not immerse this in water. It's written right over here. The power cable is a very thick power cable. It has a pretty big 3-pin socket and one end. This is a 15-watt socket. You will need a 15-watt power outlet for this particular electric kettle. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. So this is the 1.2 litre electric kettle. This comes with food grade stainless steel body, and there's a safety lock feature over here as well for when you want to open this and pour water inside, or when you want to clean it. This is the vent from where vapor will come out once the heating is done. And of course, this is the power on off button. So the idea is that you pour water inside, connect it to a power source, and then turn it on. This particular light will start glowing red, and once the heating is complete, it will switch off and this button will turn off. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips 9303/02 1.2 litre electric kettle. Thank you for watching.